Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $30 an hour just searching on Google. And this is going to be a great way for you to work from home and make some extra money. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out that on my channel art right here on the right, you will see this Make Big Money here link. And if you want to make big money and see what I do online and make a full-time income passively, just click this link and I will show you everything that you need to know about this. Now, the site I was going to show you today is called AskWonder at AskWonder.com. So what this site is that this company helps people do research. Yes, they will do research on basically anything that somebody needs to kind of research about. Okay, just let us know what you're working on, and within minutes we'll scale up a research team to get at the heart of what you're looking for. Okay, so let's see how this works. You see all the big companies that they work for. So these are real companies that they do research for, okay? So this is some example research. So it could be based on data or statistics, like how many gyms in the US provide equipment for boxing, or how much time does an average person spend browsing Netflix before watching, or how much alcohol is consumed each night worldwide. So, and then there's like lists and spreadsheets, and then there's insights and trends. So there's just a bunch of different types of questions that anybody could be asking about. And so let's say I'm going back to the top here. How many gyms are in the US? Let's see, how many gyms in the US have boxing equipment in their gyms? What this company will provide the client is this information. So the insights, so they'll put like the stats up here, and then they'll do finding section, and so they'll expand on that, and then the methodology that they took to find these numbers and how they found those numbers, and then some background and histories, and then talks about the gyms themselves and which ones there are, and so forth, and the instructors. So that's the kind of like the report they would provide the client, okay, of the question that they asked. Now, what's in it for you and me? Well, you can be one of these analysts or researchers for them, okay? So if you go back to the top of the site on the right here, you'll see Become an Analyst on the right side. There. And then you'll get to this page once you click that. So it says earn money using your brain, work when you want, expand your resume and your mind. So this is like 2-minute sign up form there. There's not much they're asking. So here, popular research requests. Our researchers can choose from a wide variety of research types. So they can recommend a product or service, competitive landscaping, explain a trend or phenomenon, gather statistics, determine the size of a market. So how it works, visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. We'll assign you a request to work on. Then you go out to find answers and resources and synthesize your findings, and then submit your work and celebrate. So you get started, apply online, complete our online application. Let us know you're interested in joining our research community. Get accepted. Show us your research skills via a simple online quiz and trial assignment, and then you can start researching. Explore open requests, dive into research, and say hello to your fellow researchers. Okay. Basically what you're doing here is you're being the human Google. Okay. So when you get an assignment like this, you're just going to go on Google and start searching for the information that you need to fill up the assignment. Okay. So so you can choose from a variety of different request types of things that you want to do. Okay. So very interesting way for you to do this kind of work from home, and you can do that using Google as your search buddy, and then you're going to put the report together, the information that they want, and then you submit it. when I was doing my research on how much you can get paid, it says here the amount that you get paid for answer a question is going to depend on how difficult the question is, how much research is going to be required, and then they're saying that you can get paid anywhere from $8 to $35 for more difficult questions. And some have been said to make as much as $30 per hour. And then I found this other site here where it says that according to AskWonder, the most active researchers can earn as much as $2,000 or more a month. So this can actually turn into a full-time income if you do enough of these work and if you do a good job, obviously. But this one is saying that it is paying between 8 to 16, but this one is an older review. This review here for this information is actually way more recent. It's from this year, and this information is actually from a few years ago. So this $8 to $16 could be lower because of back then, but that means that you could probably earn even more though. If they're saying back then they were earning $2,000 or more a month, you could probably earn even more than that here for now in this day and age. So regardless though, you can definitely earn some extra money on the side with this company, and it's a pretty good choice to do because you could do it from home, and it's interesting topics that you can do research for other people, and you're doing a very good service for people who doesn't have time, or companies who don't have time to do the research and they need that information for their own projects that they're working on. So AskWonder.com is a very good site that you can earn some extra money. I hope you liked this method that you saw today. But the only thing about this method is that you're still trading time for money, meaning that if you stop working, you will stop earning. So if you do want to make some passive online income, you can earn some money with AskWonder, then use that money to invest in a program to learn more online skills where you could build your own online business so you could earn online passive income, guys. Okay, and to learn how to do that, you gotta click that link in my banner art. Okay, so in my YouTube channel, you look at my channel art on the right there, you will see in that corner make big money here link, and so click that link so you can find out what the program is where you can learn high income online skills so you could learn how to make bigger money passively and earn while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping, and anything you want to do, guys. Okay, all right, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. It will really help out my channel, so please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and making big money soon, so let me know in the comments below, okay guys? Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.